DS-260 form is very important to get the diversity visa if you want the American lottery. You cannot get interview date if you don't submit the DS-260 form, because the DS-260 form is the visa application form. You need to submit before you get an interview date, and then you get your visa. In this video, I'm going to give you the clues, the tricks to be able to submit your DS-260 form to get an interview date and then get your visa, fly to USA. On the DS-260 form, I will urge you to take your time, read and submit properly. Fill it properly, because an incomplete DS-260 form will make you ineligible. Again, be truthful. Provide accurate information. Don't lie. If you don't have a secondary school certificate, don't lie on the DS-260 form. The last thing to consider is the consulate you select to take your appointment, the interview appointment. It is difficult to get interview dates at certain consulates or embassies in Africa. For instance, the American embassy in Ghana, it is very difficult. So a lot of people intend to use Ivory Coast, that is Côte d'Ivoire, or Abidjan in Côte d'Ivoire, South Africa, Togo, and other neighboring countries as the consulate they select to do interview. Information on the DS-260 form is grouped into topics. You're going to see personal information 1, your name, date of birth, nationality, and that kind of stuff. Personal information 2, then present and previous address information, your email address, telephone number, social media handles is very important. You need to enter all those kind of stuff. The next one is mailing and permanent address information. Now, family information we have for the parents, the spouse, and the children. Previous US travel, they're going to ask you, have you traveled to US before? Have you been deported before? Have you been refused visa to US before? All those questions, take your time, answer them properly. The next is work, education, and training history. So your previous work, your current work, your education history, the background, educational background, training background, if you have. Petitioner information, you need to fill that part also. Security and background questions, it is very, very important. Take your time, read to understand before you take yes or no. Social security number is a form of tax records in USA. So they're going to ask you, are you ready for it? You need it to work. So are you going to receive it when you come? They'll ask you certain questions. You need to answer. The last one is the sign and submit page. So you sign and then you submit your DS-260 form. After submitting the DS-260 form, you are going to wait for KCC to submit it to the NVC. That is the National Visa Center. And then you get appointment. If only they will give you an appointment. When you get an interview date, please prepare. Go and face the interview and then get the visa. I have a full live session on how to fill the DS-260 form. It is about 1 hour. I'm going to pin the link in the comment sections under this video on YouTube. I repeat, on YouTube. So if you're watching from TikTok or Facebook, go on YouTube, Tips and Gist, search for this particular video, filling DS-260 form. And then under the video, you're going to get the link to the live session, and then you will see me filling the DS-260 form. Watch it properly and then fill yours, submit, get your interview date, and go for the visa. Once again, congratulations for winning the DV lottery. I wish you the best of luck.